Hey everyone, BJ here. Today I'm just going to make a quick video of a cold start at about 53 degrees outside. Check for any issues related to the motor as far as sound. If there's any rattling that might develop into something else. The truck hasn't been started in 2 days. Here we go. And I do realize that it's been a month and a half since I've posted anything to the channel. I apologize for the absence, but wintertime is one of those times of the year that you reach a certain point, not a lot of sunshine, truck's dirty all the time it seems, unless you can sneak off to spray it down or have the courage to get the old bucket and mitt out to hand wash. Not really something I'm interested in when it's 30 degrees outside, although it has happened. With the weather being cold, a lot of the times I'll remote start the truck from inside the house, and on one or two occasions that I was outside and did that, I heard what was a sort of familiar sound. It seemed louder than before. I don't know if that's due to the temperature, or there's days that I might not drive the truck or even start it up for 2 or 3 days in a row. I don't know if that plays any part in that. Either way, this video, you can see there in the clip, startup, some noise. I was also reminded by someone that I'm connected to on Instagram. He's a friend, follower, mutual followers. He posted a video of his truck making some noise on startup, and turns out he took it into the dealer and confirmed it. Cam phasers are in need of replacement. That may be the same type of sound that I'm also experiencing. And we're just about ready to roll over to that sweet 16,000 miles. So when I can, I'll try to grab a picture or a short video of these monumental occasions right there. As you can see, 16,000 miles. That's a little disappointing. Having a warranty is nice and comforting, but thinking through the fact that repair, someone having to go through that process and make those repairs, take things apart, lay all over the side of the fender and whatever else is involved in that process. installing the catch can, and changing the oil every 5,000 miles, which is about 50% oil life remaining. You know, these are things that you would consider extra, you know, preventing issues like this. But this is a known issue. It's not a surprise. I don't really know what's all involved or what is the fix. We're just going to put the same part in there. Is that considered fixed? How long does that last if that's true? I wouldn't think that's true. I would hope or expect there to be upgraded or part that's been designed a little better. You know, I don't know the answer. I haven't dug into find the cause, the fix, but I probably will soon. Today's Friday, so I've just been busy with other things. Currently driving on my usual trip to Richmond to pick up my daughter, of course. So it being Friday and going to pick up my daughter, pretty good stuff, you know, exciting. Definitely a great way to kick off the weekend. I'm looking forward to those t-shirt temperatures. And I won't even be wearing the same, or I wear this a lot. In fact, I wear this in my house. So I do have other jackets and things that keep me warm. I just prefer this one. It's comfortable. It's cozy. So yeah, just hit 16,000 miles not too long ago, as you saw there. Just moments away from my destination here. Going through the old roundabout. I love the roundabouts. I've always said that I would like to buy, like, you know, it's just like an old K car, something cheap, you know, a couple $100, and just patrol the roundabout. How long would it really take to get T-boned or, you know, into an accident, an incident? I like to say incident because an accident, I don't know, there's always a cause or reason for it. I don't know. Not a best. Yeah. Been sitting in front of a computer screen too long this week. But anyway, yeah, how long would it take? Probably not long, because most of the time I go through a roundabout, I'm avoiding a collision from someone else not either paying attention or understanding the concept behind the workings or how a roundabout is supposed to be gone around. I don't know. It's insane. Anyways, just wanted to catch up. Didn't have anything specific other than that sound. You know, see what you think. If you got any comments or experience or have gone through the same thing, definitely let me know. I'd love to hear about it and what the outcome was. Hope everyone's doing well through this winter and everything else going on. As always, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay safe and take care.